Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you fine. So in that previous video we discussed up to 7 questions, no? So from that worksheet 1. So here in this video we are going to discuss the problems from 8 onwards. Okay, so first see that 8th question what they given here. So here printing not given, that is if. Okay, just see that. So if cos theta is equals to minus 3 by 5 and the theta lies in between 180 degrees and 270 degrees, then we need to find that tan theta by 2. Okay, once again read that question again. See here, if cos theta is equals to minus 3 by 5, that one they given, right? So what they given? Cos theta is equals to minus 3 by 5. Okay, and another condition they given, that is theta is lies in between 180 degrees and 270 degrees. Am I clear? So here we need to find that tan theta by 2 value we need to find out. So here they given cos theta value. How we can find the tan theta by 2? What is the relation in between cos theta and in terms of tan theta? Actually we have here one of the formula, right? That is for cos theta in terms of tan theta. Okay, so what is that? In submultiples we discussed about that formulas, right? So what is that formula, ma? So cos theta is equals to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 whole by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Have you remembered this? Yes. See what is this formula here? Cos theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 whole by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay. So here we need to find that tan theta by 2. So they given that cos theta value is equals to minus 3 by 5. Okay. So instead of that cos theta we written that formula, and here cos theta is equals to what they given? The same value which is equals to that formula also, no? So that's why. So here onward simplification say that. So just take that cross multiplication. Okay. So 5 into 1 minus tan square theta by 2, which is equals to minus 3 into 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay. So here simplification, 5 into 1 which is equals to 5 minus 5 into tan square theta by 2 which is 5 tan square theta by 2 is equals to minus 3 into 1. So minus 3 minus into plus which is minus 3 into tan square theta by 2 minus 3 tan square theta by 2. Am I clear? Yes. So here simplification, just I want to transpose all the terms from RHS to LHS. So that one become as 5 minus 5 tan square theta by 2. Okay. And here minus 3 is there. So which one become as plus 3. Okay. And here this one become as plus 3 tan square theta by 2. Tan square theta by 2 which is equals to 0. So here minus 5 tan square theta by 2 and here plus 3 tan square theta by 2. So minus 5 and here plus 3. So which is equals to plus 2. Sorry, minus 2. Here minus is there, no? So minus 5 and plus 3 which is equals to minus 2. So minus 2 tan square theta by 2. And here one more constant terms there. What is that? 5 and here 3. Okay, so 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So plus 8 is equals to 0. Okay, so here onwards minus 2 tan square theta by 2 is equal to, here plus 8 become as minus 8. So minus and minus gets cancelled. So from this one here 2 1s 2 and here 2 4s 8. So from this one tan square theta by 2 which is equals to 4. What is that? Tan square theta by 2 is equals to 4. So here children just observe that tan square theta by 2 value we got it here. But in that question they asked here tan theta by 2. Okay. So that's why here tan theta is equals to, tan theta by 2 is equal to here square root of 4. So which is equals to tan theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. Now what is the value of tan theta here? Either that is plus 2 or minus 2. Which one is correct? How we can say here? Yes. So that is depends on that given condition. Here they given one of the condition. No. What is that condition? theta is lies in between 180 and 270 degrees. But here children, we have to see one thing. What is that? Here theta is lies in between 180 and 270, which means which quadrant that is? 180 to 270, which means Q3 only, no? Okay, but here the theta is theta by 2. What is that? Theta by 2. So here 180 degrees is less than theta is less than 270 degrees. Actually, this is the given condition for theta. We need to find out for theta by 2. So, by 2 I am taking here, theta by 2. So, here we are doing divide by 2 means here also both sides also we have to divide with 2. Understand? So, that's why 2 crosses here 90 and here 2 ones and 2 threes 6 and here 10 is there, so 135. So here 90 to 135, so this is 90 and here this is 180. So 90 to 135 means that theta by 2 is lies in between these two values. Theta is lies in between 180 and 270. Now theta by 2 is lies in between 135 and 135 and 90 degrees. Okay. So here 90 to 135, that is in which quadrant now? Yes, that is in second quadrant. Okay, just observe that carefully. Here theta is lies in between Q3. So theta is lies in that Q3 and theta by 2 which is belongs to Q2. Understand? Theta belongs to Q3 and theta by 2 belongs to Q2. Now here theta by 2, which is what is the trigonometric function here? Trigonometric ratio is tan. So tan theta by 2. So tan is lies in which quadrant? We know that all silver tea cups. Okay, that one only we will follow now. So tan lies in that Q3. Tan lies in Q3, which means tan is positive in Q3. Okay, but here theta by 2 is there in that Q2, no? So that's why here tan theta by 2 is equal to minus 2. Why? Because here tan theta by 2, tan is negative in that second quadrant. Understand? So directly don't go for that given condition. Here that condition given for that only theta. But here our answer should be there in that theta by 2. So that's why here these three values also should be divided with 2. Then only we will get that theta by 2 is lies in between which two values. Okay, after we have to check that is in which quadrant. Okay, depends on that theta by 2, that quadrant we have to write here answer. So which option is correct here? Yes, minus 2 is correct. So option 2 is correct. Understand? Yes. So see that here. Next, 9th question. So children, see here. Here also miss that if. So what is that 9th question they given here? If a plus b is equal to 60 degrees, then cos square a plus cos square b minus cos a cos b minus cos a cos b. So children, see here. What they given? First condition they given that a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, keep this one aside. And here the next thing they given that cos square a plus cos square b minus cos a cos b. Am I clear? Okay, so here cos square a and here cos square b is there. No, so I want to write that formulas here. See that. So cos square b, I want to write that cos square b plus sin square b is equal to 1. Okay, I want to write that one as a sine in terms of sine. So what is the relation in between sine and cos means? We have one of the first identity. What is that? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So at the place of theta here we have that b, no? So that's why I am writing here b. So cos square b is equal to 1 minus sin square b. Okay, so I want to apply this formula here. So see that cos square a plus at the place of cos square b, we will have to write that 1 minus sin square b minus, and here children see one thing, cos a cos b, only cos a and cos b is there, but we have that one of the formula which is related to 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. So 2 cos a cos b, what is the formula for this? Yes, cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, which is equals to 2 cos a cos b. But children, here we have that only cos a cos b. So what we have to do? So that's why here just do that, multiply and divide. Multiply and divide by 2. Why? Because means here 2 cos a cos b formula we know that. For that adjustment here we are writing that 2 by 2. Again 2 by 2 we will get it as 1 only, no? So 1 into cos a cos b, again we will get the same thing. Okay, so that's why here 2 by 2 cos a cos b. Okay, there is no problem with that, right? 2 by 2 means again 1. So here I want to write this one as cos square a plus 1 minus sin square b, or else here we can write these two terms as together, cos square a minus sin square b plus 1, and here this one we can write it as minus 1 by 2 into 2 cos a cos b. Okay, just I divided that 1 into 2, again we will get it as 2. So here cos square a minus sin square b. Okay, so this is the formula for, yes, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, which is equals to the formula cos square a minus sin square b. We know this formula, right? Cos square a minus sin square b. So here cos square a minus sin square b, that one we can write it as cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into, here 2 cos a cos b. What is that formula here? Cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Okay, and children, here one thing, already we know that one of the condition, what is that? A plus b is equal to 60 degrees, already they given in that question. So directly we can apply that one, no, here. So write here that one as cos of 60 degrees as per that given question, and here this one as cos of a minus b plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into, here again we can write this one as cos 60 degrees plus cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b, write it as it is. Okay, so see here. So cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. So which is equals to 1 by 2 into, here 1 by 2 into cos of a minus b, and here plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into cos 60 degrees, again that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus cos of a minus b. These are that leftover terms, no? Now here simplify this. So 1 by 2 into cos of a minus b, and here plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 into cos of a minus b plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, and here minus into plus, which is equals to minus 1 by 2 into cos of a minus b. Okay, here simplification say that here plus 1 by 2 into cos of a minus b, and here minus 1 by 2 into cos of a minus b. Okay, so these two terms are same, but here they have that different signs, no? So that's why plus term and minus term gets cancelled. Okay, so here the leftover terms, 1 minus 1 into 1, that is 1, and here 2 into 2 is 4. Clear? So 4 ones 4 minus 1 by 4, which is equals to 3 by 4. So what is the required answer here? That is 3 by 4. So which option is correct, ma, here? Yes, option 3 is correct. What is that option 3? That is 3 by 4. Okay, so let us see the next question. That is 10th question. So what is the 10th question? See here. Sin a by 1 minus cos a plus 1 plus cos a by sin a. So see that what they given here. Sin a by 1 minus cos a plus 1 plus cos a by sin a. Okay, children. So here they given that submultiple angle formulas. So sin a, cos a formulas, directly that questions they given. So we know that formula for that, right? So here sin a formula. What is that sin a formula? Already we know this, right? So sin a formula is 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Have you remembered these all formulas? Yes, if anybody forgot means once again read that all the formulas. So here sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. And here left over two formulas there. What are those? 1 minus cos A. So where we have seen this? So 1 minus cos A is 2 sin square theta by 2, which means 2 sin square A by 2. What is that? 2 sin square A by 2. And here it is 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A, which is the formula for that? 2 cos square A by 2. 2 cos square A by 2. Okay children, now apply that formulas here. So sin A, again here sin A is there, so we can apply that same formula. So at the place of sin A, we have to write that 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2 whole by 1 minus cos A. So 2 sin square A by 2. 2 sin square A by 2 plus 1 plus cos A, which is equals to 2 cos square A by 2 whole by sin A formula, which is 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Okay, so here any cancellations possible? Yes, possible. What are those? 2 and 2 gets cancelled here, and here sin A by 2 one time there, and here 2 times there means one time gets cancelled. So from this one here the leftover terms cos A by 2 by sin A by 2. Okay, plus here cancellations, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and here cos 2 times there and here 1 time there. So those 2 should be cancelled. Now here the leftover ones cos A by 2 by sin A by 2. So cos A by 2 by sin A by 2. So we can take that A by 2 as some theta. Okay, then here cos theta by sin theta, what is that formula ma? Cos theta by sin theta, which is equals to cot theta. Okay, so at the place of theta here they given that A by 2, no? So that's why here which is equals to cot A by 2 plus here this one also same only, no? So that's why that is also cot A by 2. So cot A by 2 plus cot A by 2. What we will get? Yes, 2 cot A by 2 is that answer. This is the required answer. So which option is correct ma here? Yes, option 3 is correct, that is 2 cot A by 2. Okay children, see that here cos by sin, which is equals to cot. Sin by cos is there means tan. At that places we will get it as 2 tan theta by 2 or 2 tan A by 2. Okay, but here cos by sin is there, no? So that's why here this is cot A by 2. So finally we will get that answer as 2 cot A by 2. So option 3 is correct answer. Okay children, we are going to discuss the question from 11 onwards. So see that what is that 11th question here. 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta, okay, whole by 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta. So first we have to write that what they given. So 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta whole by 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, so here we know that some formulas, just what formulas we used in the 10th question, just like that only same formulas again we have to use here. So what are those? By seeing this one we can say that is sin theta. So what is the formula for that sin theta? 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, and here this is 1 plus cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta, which is 2 cos square theta by 2, and here 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta formula is 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, so these 3 formulas we have to apply here. Okay, after applying this answer we will get. Okay, so easy only, see that. So children, for this type of questions first we have to learn the formulas. Okay, so without formulas we can't simplify this. Okay, so 1 plus cos theta and here 1 minus cos theta. What is the formula for that 1 plus cos theta? Yes, that is 2 cos square theta by 2 plus sin theta formula, which is 2 sin theta by 2 and here cos theta by 2. And in the same way, in the denominator 1 minus cos theta formula, which is 2 sin square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Clear? Yes. From that numerator here we can take that one term as common. What is that? Here 2 is common in these two terms, right? So take that 2 as common, as well as cos theta by 2, and here also cos theta by 2 is there. But here 2 times there and here 1 time is there. So that's why 1 time only take that as common. So 2 cos theta by 2, take it as common. So left over here 1 time is there, no? So that is cos theta by 2. Plus, and here 2 already be taken as common. Cos theta by 2, that one also be taken as common, no? So here sin theta by 2 whole by 2 sin theta by 2. From these two terms also we can take that 2 sin theta by 2 as common, no? Okay. So here the leftover term is sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. So children, just observe that numerator and denominator, these two are having common terms, no? So if common terms there means we can cancel those two terms, right? So here we can cancel these two terms, no? Yes. So after that 2 and 2 also gets cancelled. So from this one, cos theta by 2 whole by sin theta by 2. So which is equals to cot theta by 2. So answer also just like the previous question, 10th one only, but there we got the 2 cot theta by 2. Here it is cot theta by 2. Okay, so which option is correct, ma? Here option 3 is correct, that is cot theta by 2. Am I clear, children? Yes, let us see that next question. Yes, 12th question say that. So here also cos A plus sin A by cos A minus sin A minus cos A minus sin A by cos A plus sin A. Understand? So that is the given question. So what they given here? Cos A plus sin A whole by cos A minus sin A minus cos A minus sin A whole by cos A plus sin A. Okay. So in these cases we can take that cross multiplication, or else here we can take that. So here better to use the word as take the LCM. Okay. So here what is the LCM of these two terms, ma? Yes, the LCM is the product of these two denominators, no? So cos A minus sin A into cos A plus sin A. Okay, fine. See here. Next take that cross multiplication here, cos A plus sin A into cos A plus sin A, which is equals to cos A plus sin A whole square. Why? Because same terms, no, these two. So that's why. And here minus is there, so keep that minus. And here also these two terms are same, no? So that's why cos A minus sin A whole square. Okay, children. So by observing this one, here we can use that one of the formula. What is that? Here I am going to take that cos A plus sin A as one of the term, that is A. Okay. And here minus cos A minus sin A, that one take it as some B. Okay. So here we can take that A square minus B square formula also we can apply, or else here directly we can take that A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. So cos A I am going to take it as A and sin A I am going to take it as B. So here A plus B whole square minus, again here also same terms, no? So that's why here cos A. So cos A we can write as A minus B whole square. So children, we know that one of the formula here, what is that? A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. So A plus B whole square formula is A square plus B square plus 2AB. And here it is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay. So in this cases, A square plus B square plus 2AB. And here minus is there, no? So that's why minus A square minus B square plus 2AB. We know this formula. Okay, so here we will get it as 4AB. So here A square, B square and B square gets cancelled. So finally we will get it as 4AB only, no? And here at the place of A, what we taken here? Instead of this one only we taken as A, no? So that is cos A. So from this one 4 cos A. and here B. So at the place of B, here that is sin A. Understand, ma'am? So 4 cos A sin A whole by, here this is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. Why? Because we taken this one as A and this one as B, no. So A minus B into A plus B, which is equals to A minus B into A plus B, which is equals to A square minus B square. So A square means here cos square A minus sin square A. So cos square A minus sin square A, that is the formula for another one. What is that? Cos 2A. Cos 2A formula only, no, that is cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, ma. So here we can write this one as, here 2 cos A sin A formula we know that, but here 4 sin A cos A is there. So I want to write this one as 2 into 2 sin A cos A. Shall we write like that? Okay, why? Because we know the formula for that 2 sin A cos A only, but here 4 times there, no, so that's why I divided that 4 as 2 into 2. Okay, whole by cos square A minus sin square A, so which is equals to cos 2A. Okay, ma. So here this is the formula for that 2 sin A cos A or 2 cos A sin A, that is the formula for that. Here we can write this one as, that is the formula for sin 2A whole by, here we have that cos 2A. Okay, so sin 2A by cos 2A, so sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. So 2 into tan theta, at the place of theta here we have the 2A. So answer is 2 tan 2A. What is that answer here? Answer is 2 tan 2A. So which option is correct? 2 tan 2A. So option 3 is correct here. Am I clear, children? So let us see that next question, 13th one. Yes, 13th question, direct formula. If you observe that question carefully, here directly you can say that answer. Have you observed that? Once see that what they given? Cos square pi by 4 minus theta by 2 minus sin square pi by 4 minus theta by 2. So children, if you consider this one as some theta, okay, here also we are getting the same one, no, that is theta. Now see that question, cos square theta minus sin square theta. So what is the formula that? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this is the formula of cos 2 theta. Very good. See here, cos 2 theta formula this is. Okay. So now at the place of theta, what they given here? Pi by 4 minus theta by 2 minus sin square into pi by 4 minus theta by 2, which is equals to cos 2 theta. So cos 2 into, at the place of theta only they given this one, right? So at the place of theta they given that pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Am I clear, children? So from this one here, cos 2 into, just simplify this one. Here LCM is 4. LCM is 4. 2 and 4 LCM is 4 only, no? And here 4 already there, so that's why here pi minus 2 theta. Pi minus 2 theta. Now here cancellations, 2 1s and here 2 2s. So we can write this one as cos of pi by 2 minus 2 theta by 2. Just I divided that. Okay. So this 2 is related to pi as well as the 2 theta also, no? So that's why. So here 2 and 2 gets cancelled, as well as cos of pi by 2 minus theta. So cos of pi by 2 minus theta. So cos of pi by 2 means pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees only, no? So cos 90 minus theta. What we will get? Trigonometric ratio. What is that? Sin theta. Okay. What is that answer here? Sin theta. So which option is correct, ma? Yes, option 2 is correct. So children, by seeing that question, first see what they given in that question. First we have to understand that what they given, what they are asking, what we need to find out. Okay. So that's why first see that question here, directly formula only they given, but at the place of theta they given that pi by 4 minus theta by 2. So after applying that theta here, just we have to simplify that theta what they given here. Okay, after simplification here we are getting cos of pi by 2 minus theta. So pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees only, no? So cos 90 minus theta, we know that that one become as a sin theta. So which option is correct ma here? Yes, option 2 is correct. Okay, so let us see that next question. Yes, 14th question, see here. What they given? Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 1 plus cos 4a. 1 plus cos 4a. Children, already this type of question, one of the question we simplified in that one of the videos starting worksheet 1. I think so that is third or fourth question. Okay. So square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 1 plus cos of 4a. Okay. Already this is a known formula related question only. So just see that this one I want to write it as square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 1 plus cos of 4a. 4a formula we don't know that. So that's why we can write this one as 2 into 2a. 2 into 2a. Shall we write like this? Yes. Now this is in the form of cos 2 theta. Cos 2, this totally consider it as theta. Okay. Now cos 2 theta formula, what is that? Cos 2 theta. In terms of cos. In terms of cos, what is that? 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. In terms of cos only. Why? Because everything is there in that cos only, no? So again I written here one of the formula related to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. And we know that cos 2 theta is having that 3 different formulas. Okay. In terms of sin and cos only. What are those? One is cos square a minus sin square a. And the second one is 2 cos square theta minus 1. And the next in terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, we know that 3 formulas, no? So in terms of cos, I want to use this formula here. Okay, so see that square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 1 plus at the place of cos 2 theta, what we have to write? 2 cos square theta. Theta means here 2a minus 1. Am I clear? At the place of theta here 2a is there, no? So that's why here 2 cos square theta minus 1. Clear? So plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. So from this one square root of 2 plus again square root of 2 into 2, which is equals to 4 cos square 2a. 4 cos square 2a. Now here this one we can write it as square root of 2 plus square root of 2 cos 2a whole square. Shall we write like that? This one we can write it as 2 cos 2a whole square. Why? Because the 2 whole square means 2 square is 4. Cos 2a whole square means cos square 2a. So here square and first root gets cancelled. Okay. So from this one, so see here square root of 2 plus and here 2 cos 2a. 2 cos 2a. So children, from this one here 2 plus 2, here 2 is in common, no? So we can take that 2 as common, no? So take that 2 as common. So from this one 1 plus cos 2a. So children, here directly cos 2a is there. So directly we can apply that cos 2a formula here. So what is that? Square root of 2 into 1 plus cos 2a formula is 2 cos square theta. At the place of theta here a is there. So minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. Okay. Again square root of 2 into 2 is 4, which is equals to 2 into 2 cos, what is there here? 2 cos square a. 2 cos square a. So square root of 2 into 2 is 4 cos square a. So again we can write this one as 2 cos a whole square under square root. Okay. So here square and square root gets cancelled. So finally what is that answer here? Answer is 2 cos A. What is that? Answer is 2 cos A. So option, yes, 2 cos A. Which option is correct ma here? Option 3 is correct. Okay children. So in this video we discussed the problems from 11 to 14. Okay, so leftover questions we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.